just a short video of phase 1 of Chateau Nouveau. This is sort of like the extreme edge next to phase 2. You can see that that it's the 19th of May and the plants are really starting to bloom here now. The red yuccas are coming out and they're really pretty. And pretty much all of the other trees in the neighborhood are in full bloom now. Some of them would have been blossoming and having the flowers back in March, but now it's full bloom. So this is not the prettiest part of the area, but it is the part where we live, and the common area part is down a little bit further. But anyway, it's a nice evening. I thought I'd just go out for a short walk and just sort of show the neighborhood. It's quiet. Most of the time it's very quiet. Not usually too many people out. If they are, they're usually quiet, minding their business like a good neighborhood. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave it at this. And this is a lovely night in May after we've had some thunder showers passing through today, so it's relatively cool, which is unusual for this time of May. It was 93 or 94 today. I think it's down to in the low 80s now, so that's kind of nice. Anyway, signing off for now.